Hi guys, so today I'm going to talk about how to make your own cryptocurrency. So first, know what is a cryptocurrency. A cryptocurrency is a digital money or virtual money which is based on the technology of cryptography. It is important to keep in your mind that there are two types of cryptocurrencies. One is coin and another is token. What is coin? A coin have their own blockchains where the transaction occurs. For example, Bitcoin is a coin and it has its own blockchain Ethereum. And what is the token? The token is an entity with a value specified by the eminent, which is used for verifying transactions and make them secure. To make your own coin, you need to develop your own blockchain. You have two options. One is making blockchain from scratch and another is a modification in existing blockchain. To build your own cryptocurrency, follow these steps. First, find a community for your currency. Second, choose the right development team. Third, create rules for smart contract. Fourth, dedicated time to crafting a white paper. Fifth, ICO promotion. And the last one, create a strong community and support it.
When everyone creates their own crypto coin, so why I can't? Is there any solution to create my own crypto coin? Let's start searching on Google. You will found SAG IPL.
SAG IPL is one of the best IT company which offers the best blockchain development services. They help to develop your own blockchain and also provide the cryptocurrency marketing services. Under blockchain development, SAG IPL offers ICO development, white paper development, explainer video development, coin admin development, web wallet development, token development, coin development, exchange development, hyperledger development, and under cryptocurrency marketing service they offer ICO marketing, STO marketing, IEO marketing. Thank you for watching the video. Please join us. www.sagipl.com